Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Firefox on Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 3. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type in Firefox and click search, and now click install. Now you can click open, and here you can make your Firefox your default browser, or you can click not now. Now you can sign in to quickly switch between devices, or you can click not now. And here you can turn on notifications from this app, or you can click not now again. And now your Firefox browser is all set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.